Hi guys, usually my channel is introducing the remote control topics, tips for my friend, but this time I'm going to share with you how to make this SIG Airsoft Pro Force M17 trigger pull better, like 1911. I like this one so much. This is one of the best gas robot pistol ever before I had. But like I said, I really hate this trigger pull so heavy, the normal stock one. I tuned this trigger pull used by Tamiya remote controller parts, and it's really nice. I will share with you how. It's so easy. At first, open the slide. That's it. Take down pin out and safety up. And now you can remove this main unit, trigger unit, and hammer unit, assemble everything. Then now next, you may going to remove this seal spring, just one side. And then now seal is free. It can be go down itself. And you will see under the trigger there's a spring there. My case, I already bought custom spring, like I said, Tamiya Formula 1 spring. This one, 2 pieces. But original spring is like this. This is kind of super hard, so very hard, too much hard spring here. So I replaced this one to Tamiya spring. And we must use this 2 springs for replace of the original spring because it's quite shorter. But I never have problem. I never have issue. The 2 spring inside here, it never come up. So I guess it's okay. Find these 2 springs. Just put it back. Just put it back. That's it. So if you buy the Tamiya Formula 1 spring and replace this trigger spring, your trigger pull feelings will be like 1911. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.